Former US President Donald Trump has appeared before a court in Atlanta where he was formally booked with more than a dozen charges linked to an attempt to overturn his 2020 election defeat in the state of Georgia. Mr. Trump returned to the social media site X, formerly known as Twitter, to share his mugshot.
In his long history of unorthodox firsts, further new ground broken by Donald Trump, the 45th President of the United States becoming the first to be the subject of a police mugshot. The former president turning himself over to authorities in Georgia ahead of a trial over an alleged conspiracy to overturn the state's result in the 2020 election. It's the president's fourth indictment, but the first to have involved a mugshot.
In Georgia, though, the booking process is a little bit different. Defendants have to appear at the Fulton County Jail in order to be processed, and then he'll appear before a judge at a later date.
Trump and his motorcade arrived at the Fulton County Jail during TV primetime, something Trump himself was said to have negotiated in an effort to turn the criminal prosecution into entertainment. He was released a few hours later on a bond of $200,000.
I guess I have mixed feelings. Absolutely feel like the work of the committee has only been repeatedly vindicated as these indictments have essentially followed the script that the committee put forth in our hearings and in the report.
A preliminary trial date has been set for October, 3 months ahead of the first Republican primary in which Trump is the clear front-runner. Trump himself has sought to delay the trial well into 2024, an election year. As an illustration of how the former president is portraying himself as a martyr, he also made his return to X, formerly Twitter. Having surrendered himself to Georgia authorities a few hours earlier, the former president posted his own mugshot, a link to his website seeking donations, and declared, "Never surrender."